Hello everyone, you already know what we are going to learn in this video, so let's begin. I'm going to use the same HTML file that I created in the previous video. So let's start from adding an image. Right click to open your HTML file, open it with your text editor, any. You can use WordPad, Notepad as I told you already. The tag to add image is img. And we should specify the source for the image, that is src is equal to double inverted commas, and this is the original tag to add an image. We already have this image as for adding it to a web page, the one which we previously used as a background image. So just add a path to .jpg. Yep, the extension, don't forget that, and save it. Let's see. This time it got added as an image. See here, my background color is black and the image I added is this one. So I'm getting a problem here. Now this hey there, how's it doing, has got a lot of the distance in it. So let's add a BR here, so it will break a line there. BR, save, refresh. I break the line from here. We can specify the width and height of the image that we added. By default it's this, that is the original size of the image that we have. There's 640 by 424, or the original size. That is the size. We can specify it here. Width is equal to say 100. The default value is in pixels. GIGST is equal to again 100. Don't need to specify pixels or centimeters or mm. We can just make it in pixels. Save, refresh. See, 100 by 100 pixel image. It got changed. Here in the attribute src, you have to specify the original path of the image. For example, this image is in the same folder as of the HTML file, so we don't need to specify any path. But for a different image, say documents, my pictures, sample pictures, sunset, so this is the path. Let me copy this. Right click, copy, HTML docs, where's my here, paste it. Then I used Control V to paste it. Then the name sunset, SUNSET, and what's the format? JPG file. So add the extension .jpg file, save. Now let's see whether it works. Nope. The path is somewhat wrong, so you will see only the alternating text whatever we have given. See, for here it is hi, how are you. The alternating text is hi, how are you, so we will see it here instead of an image if the image path is wrong. You can also add an alternating text to your image. The attribute for it is alt. It stands for alternating text. I'll say hi, how are you, and save it. Let's refresh. It's not showing anything, no difference. It's Mozilla Firefox, it doesn't support you for alternating text. So let's try opening it with Internet Explorer. Let me bring my mouse over it. See that, hi, how are you. We can see it in a tooltip. Now let's try it for Opera. On Opera, yes. No, it too doesn't show us an alternating text. So till now Internet Explorer showed this. Now let's try with Google Chrome. Nope, not even Google Chrome. So only Internet Explorer supports alternating text. For me, the different part didn't work because my PC is installed with the II server. See, software, internet information services, websites. It's a server. You will understand it in my next videos. And this width and height can also be given in percentage. Say 50%. Give the percent sign for there and save it. Then go and refresh it. See, 50% of the image of the web page gets occupied with the image. And this you can also specify it in a percent. 50%. Save and refresh. 50% of vertical image, vertical page, and 50% of the horizontal page gets occupied by the image. This part is already occupied, so it will also be calculated for the 50% of the image. The next comes the align tag. ALIG, and you can either specify left, center, middle, or right. Let's try specifying right. RIGHT. Save and refresh. See, the image got aligned to the right side of the web page with the dimensions as specified in this. Next comes the border. The tag attribute for it is border. Border is equal to, say, 2. The 2 is in pixels. Don't forget the inverted commas. Save. See, the border 2 pixels. Let's try giving it 50. That will be too much, but for your understanding, let's see. It's the border. It's fixed 50 pixels, and the color of it is red because our default text color for the whole web page is red, which we specified in the body tag. It does not actually cause any problem if you don't give this double inverted commas everywhere, but for example, if you forget the commas here, and if you forget the space, give the space between this. Let's save and see what's the result we get. See, the image is not displayed, it got an error. But if you forget to give a space and you have given double inverted commas, now let's see the result. Yes, the image is still displayed. The double inverted commas marks the ending of the src tag. One more thing, HTML is not a case-sensitive language. Mind it, it's not a case-sensitive language. Next on our list we have heading tags. There are basically 6 heading tags there, and they range from H1 to H6. Oh, they are paired tags, sorry, /H1 and /H6. Don't forget to close them or the whole page will be in header. What are basically these head tags? They will show you a bold and big font sized text. Say if you type in between hi and type this in type it in this hello, and let's save and see the result. Hi. H1 is the biggest font size available for heading tag, and H6 is the smallest heading size available. Now let's try. I'm just copying this and I will paste this 5 to 6 times. V Control Y. I'm using Control V to paste it. Let's let it be here. H2, H2, H3. Sorry, H3, H3, H4, H4, H5, and H5. These are only the 6 tags available for heading. See, the size goes on decreasing. Oh, let me edit this to high too, so that you will understand it better. High. Sorry, save, refresh. The size goes on decreasing from H1 to H6. H6 is the smallest and H1 is the largest. Next we have text formatting tags. So for them we have 3 tags basically: bold tag, italics tag, and underline tag. See, for the bold, the attribute is the tag. It's not attribute, it's tag B. It is bold. For then normal text hi /B, it's a paired tag. It's for bold. Now let's see. See, it comes in bold text, or normally it would have come like say, let me add a BR, break line, and hi. Now let's see the difference, how it would have been looking without bold tag. See, this is the difference. This is without bold tag and this is with bold tag. Now the next one is italics, and tag is I. Again, let's use hi and slash I. Save it, control save. I've used the shortcut. See, it's a hi with italics. Now the underline, the tag is U, hi slash U. Save it, refresh, underline text. Now you can combine all the three to have a combined effect. Say U, then I, then B, then hi. Now it's not necessary that the tags should close in the order of this, how they are opened. Not necessary. I can close I first, then I can close U, then I can close B, and save it and refresh. See, hi, it's bold, it's italic, and it's underlined. There are 4 more tags which we can use for text formatting. The first one is strong, and we can use hi slash strong. It's a paired. Save it, refresh. Oops, what's the I forgot to close this. See, this happens when you don't close it properly. Save and refresh. See, its effect is almost equal to the B tag, bold tag. Then small, there's a small tag, SML small. I'm using the same text high so that you will understand it better, so you can differentiate it. Says small, it's a pair tag again. Save, I'm using control save, don't forget that. Then small, see this, the text size got reduced by maybe 1 or 2. Then the next is superscript. For that tag is sup and high, then slash sup. Save, refresh. See, this high got added as a superscript to this line. Now we can add a subscript. Sub high slash sub. Save, control save. Then hi, it got added as a subtext to this line. Again, we can use combined effect of all of them, except don't use strong small together. It won't have any effect, or maybe it may give an error or something. Then the next is the horizontal line tag, and it's written as HR. It's a standalone tag, so don't write slash HR this way. Just write HR. Save, refresh. See, a long horizontal line. The default length is 100% and the default color is gray. Now let's color it. The attribute for it is, you all know, color is equal to blue. For instance, save, refresh. You can also give a hex code here. Then you can specify its size. Its size is equal to, say, 10 pixels. Save. You can also specify a percentage here. Then let's specify its length. So for it, attribute is width. Width is equal to, I'm giving percent here now, 50%. 50% of the page will be covered with the horizontal line 50. The default alignment of the horizontal line is center, so it will show as 25% from here to here and 25% to here, to left hand and to the right hand. Now let's align it to the left. ALIGN is equal to left. Save it, refresh. Here it gets aligned to the left.